and welcome to the CX Live Dialogues. We are delighted to have with us today Susana Rodriguez Puerta, COO Applications eSenior at Oracle. Susana is leading a large team of client engagement, business development, CX and SCM specialists who give support to the sales execution, focusing on working closely with customer to achieve growth and customer success. Having joined Oracle from McKinsey in 2014, Susana has led a wide range of roles across technology and application. This broad experience has been acquired in both European as well as the Middle East markets, where she has most recently and successfully led the EMEA Alliances business. Welcome, Susana. It's a pleasure to have you today.
Thank you so much, and thank you for having me. Excited to be here.
Definitely. Now, obviously, Susana, CX is going through tremendous change and transformation. What are the main challenges that you are seeing in the CX industry this far?
Yes, I think that the role of customer service in this customer's end-to-end journey has become much more than addressing concerns and solving issues. But there are, however, some challenges that are holding many businesses back. So I would like to share with you 5 of them today that we see daily. So one is still the struggle of deliver a seamless omni-channel experience. So customers expect a consistent experience across multiple channels, including the website, mobile app, social media, and physical stores. However, maintaining this consistency in messaging and branding and service quality across all challenges can be challenging. So organizations need to integrate their systems, processes, and data to ensure a seamless and unified experience for customers, regardless of the channel they choose. So we're seeing how successful CX investments are characterized by fusing the power of CX systems, operations, and touch points across marketing, sales, and service data together on a common platform with the back office and the broader ecosystem. And this streamlined suite will allow the organization to speak with one voice. The second challenge that we see in the industry is customer engagement and retention. And with increased competition and rapidly changing customer expectations, organizations must continuously engage and retain customers. And providing this personalized experience and proactive support and targeted marketing campaigns are vital to building these long-term customer relationships. However, we know this can be challenging as well, and it's difficult actually to get all the data and understand individual preferences and deliver the relevant experiences. Additionally, I think that we live in a world where we still have some legacy systems and some problems with integration. So many organizations still rely on legacy systems that were not designed for the digital age. So integrating these systems with modern technologies can be complex and time-consuming. So customers need, business need to modernize the infrastructure to adopt these agile technologies and ensure a smooth integration with them. So Oracle Fusion, for example, has evolved on a constant train of innovation, starting with a few core systems while incrementally connecting CX initiatives with back-office systems. Over time, as Oracle built out common infrastructure, application teams removed operational overhead and gained best-in-class performance and security. So Oracle Fusion, for example, today emerges as a vertically integrated technology stack that unifies infrastructure, architecture, platform, and application suites into most modern technological, functional, and operational foundation. So the fourth one would be limited data collection, and I think that probably everyone understands this very well. Crafting kind of a seamless customer experience requires a lot of data, but also insight about this data. So by leveraging, for example, Oracle Unity, organizations can unify their customer data, having this 360-degree view, gaining deeper understanding of their customers and deliver personalized experience across channels. So some examples that probably these people that are listening to us today can relate to: data unification and integration, real-time processing of the data and being able to respond on a real-time manner, segmentation and audience targeting, also a very big topic, advanced analytics and insight. We've been hearing about this quite a lot in the last few years, and also privacy and compliance, which is also getting more and more relevant. And to end this question about the challenges, I think that sometimes we also see some customers that have this CX approach, which is a little bit department driven, so too tied to a traditional way of looking at this. And we are seeing how this is much more than this. As we said before, having this view of CX in the whole organization and not just for a specific department can give us a lot of insights of what the customer require every moment and how we can deliver a better experience for them. So as a summary, we were talking about omni-channel experience, about customer retention and engagement, about legacy systems, about the importance or the limited data collection that we are seeing, and the department-driven approach that we are also trying to fight against.
That's a wonderful summary of the challenges that the industry executives are facing.
Yeah.
And you're so right, Susana, that the pace of change and to bring agility, all of these challenges need to be addressed very quickly for organizations to be maintaining the growth and delivering the best experience for their customers. Now, obviously, with that comes the responsibility of bringing about a lot of improvements, but also embracing a lot of the technologies that you just spoke about. What, in your opinion, would be the latest developments as well as improvements that you have seen in customer experience and the way companies engage with their customers?
Yes, I think that we've covered this a little bit, but let's go a little bit more in detail. So one thing we were discussing about personalization, I think that hyper-personalization is there and it's here to stay. And companies are leveraging advanced analytics and artificial intelligence and machine learning to deliver these experiences to the individual customers. So we need this type of technologies in order to be able to give these tailored recommendations and personalized content and targeted promotions in order to bring this level of satisfaction for these customers. So one would be hyper-personalization. The second one that I would like to mention is everything around conversational messaging. And I think that we're seeing an increasing adoption of smart speakers and voice assistants and voice-activated technologies. Actually, it's even more than that, right? It's kind of the change in the way that we interact. So everything that has to do with natural language and everything that we can do to facilitate the way that customers engage with these companies to get the services or to buy some products. I think it's a trend that we are seeing and will be much higher in the future. And then maybe less related to the technology itself, but something that we are seeing everywhere is how can we give better and better customer experience, but doing it sustainably. I think that sustainability is now part of the equation. Was not here probably a few years ago, but now also technology can help us with that, right? Because we can use artificial intelligence for real-time visibility, to provide the right information for the customer to make the right choices. So we need to make it work in a way that is sustainable. So I think that it's also a topic that has been more relevant now than it was a few years ago, and that Oracle is also taking very seriously.
Certainly. Now, obviously, with all of what you've just spoken about, especially with obviously the embracement of IVAs and now with the sustainable approach that we need to focus on, what would you say is the top technology enabler which is driving the transformation that we are seeing?
Yeah, I think that here we need to talk about artificial intelligence. I think this is the top technology that is driving customer experience today. When we talk artificial intelligence, we talk about many things because it's kind of difficult to kind of define it. But we talk about machine learning, we talk about natural language, as we said before. We talk about how can we revolutionize the way that customers interact with businesses. So some examples that we see that are here, it's not the future, it's here. So artificial intelligence is among us already. So we do have chatbots and virtual assistants, for example. So we have these artificial intelligence powered chatbots and assistants that provide us with instant responses to customer inquiries 24/7. And they can understand, as we said, natural language, they learn from previous interactions, and they offer personalized recommendations. And the more we use them, the more we learn. So the better customer service they give, and in a very reduced with a very reduced response time. Also, personalization, we said that already, but AI algorithms analyze vast amount of customer data to gain insight into individual preferences. And this enables companies and businesses to deliver these personal recommendations in a much more efficient way. They can suggest products, they have much more targeted marketing campaigns with the return of investment is much higher. And at the end of the day, this enhances the overall customer experience. We can also talk here predictive analytics. So leveraging artificial intelligence and big data, business can predict customer behaviors, not only to proactively address issues, but also to anticipate needs. So this allows organizations to offer tailored promotions or preemptively resolve customer concerns. So I think that this is also something that we see now and we will continue to see in the future. And you mentioned also before about sentiment analysis, and I think that's also something that it's becoming more relevant. Artificial intelligence help us there as well. It can help us analyze customer feedback from various sources, including social media and surveys and customer reviews. And it's amazing the help that we get, the business, the insights that we get when we look into this customer sentiment. We can identify trends, we can address issues more promptly, and all these will lead into improved customer satisfaction. So overall, artificial intelligence technologies have the potential to enhance customer experience, and I think that every business is considering, actually is continue investing in artificial intelligence, and I think that it will remain as a crucial technology enabler to drive digital transformation.
Definitely. And when we did the intelligence report for Customer Experience Live for 2023, AI is the number one technology companies are investing in. So I think you're absolutely spot on over there, Susana. Now, within your role in Oracle, you have obviously enabled companies big and small across the globe to exceed customer as well as employee expectations. How has your platform and software impacted companies in terms of not just customer experience, but also their employee experience?
Yes, I think that part of what Oracle does, unlike any other cloud vendor, offers like kind of a complete range of the service of SaaS, of service as a service, infrastructure, and platform as a service. And Oracle has this idea of delivering one suite. And this means that we are giving our customers the like a unique experience. So we have our CX platform, but we have our ERP platform and our HCM platform, and all together we offer our customers a unique experience. So I think this is part of what Oracle does better, and it's part of our philosophy. So it's kind of this fusion suite enjoys this common infrastructure in the same security, same data model, and beyond. So we are very well positioned to offer the customer everything built in. Everything in the same space. So that's how we do it.
Wonderful. Last but not the least, Susana, how does your company distinguish itself from other players in the market? Obviously, you've emphasized a lot of very, very interesting points there, but it would be really good to get a summary of them from you before we end this interview today.
Yes. I think that I probably will end this reading a little bit what our Executive Vice President, Steve Miranda, said in Oracle Cloud World last year, because he says much better than I do. But he says, Oracle deliver innovation that matters to you and your bottom line. So Oracle's unique ability to innovate, the simple fact that Oracle applications enjoy a feedback loop of innovation. So I think that the key that distinguish Oracle, and it's kind of a different cloud. So there are many cloud vendors, but Oracle, it's a different cloud vendor. We offer like a complete range from SaaS infrastructure and cloud service. And we are completely we're investing in innovation, and I think that this is what we can give our customers. I think that we are building enterprise applications to take advantage of the latest infrastructure advancements, and this innovation manifests in a cross-application automation. So I think that we are much more into the industry approach now, and well, we've seen how Oracle is doing differently, and it's kind of integrating and considering the approach from an industry perspective, and we've seen that with the investment that we did in healthcare, for example. So I think that this is what we are trying to do, is to solve problems, to solve complex problems with our customers, providing them with a complete stack, a complete range of products, from the infrastructure to the application, and within the application from the CX to the back office. And with all together, we can provide our customers with a solution that can help them navigate these moments that we're living in.
Definitely. It's been wonderful talking to you, Susana. Thank you so much for joining us today and sharing your insights and your views on the customer experience, as well as what Oracle offers to the industry, along with some fascinating viewpoints of your own. So thank you very much. And we really look forward to catching up with you again soon.
Thank you. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye for now.